Have you ever noticed how some people just seem to light up a room? One secret they often share is the art of listening and mirroring. When you truly listen, you're not just hearing words, you're connecting on a deeper level. Imagine this: someone shares their stress about an upcoming exam. Instead of a simple nod, you say, "So, you're feeling overwhelmed because of your exams, right?" That's mirroring. It shows you value their feelings and makes them feel understood. But it doesn't stop there. Use your tone and body language to reflect their emotions. If they're excited, match that energy. This creates an instant bond. Whether in casual chats or professional settings, mastering this skill can transform your relationships. So, next time you're in a conversation, try mirroring and watch how it changes the dynamic. You'll be amazed at how much more connected you feel.